What's up, guys? My name is Nick. I'm 16 years old, about to be 17 in a week, and
I'm Caden. I'm 17-year-old as well. We are a couple high schoolers making a new YouTube channel, Nick and Caden. We're going to be doing vlogs, challenges, mostly pranks, and some pretty bold and crazy things for you guys.
we're going to strive to make the best content for you guys and make it lit and make people laugh.
Alright, so this is going to be our introduction video, our first video, and it's going to be us filming a car show down in Spokane, which is where we're located at a local Ron's restaurant.
Most of the majority of the cars were old muscle cars, but there was some newer ones, and a Lambo did pull up, but unfortunately it left pretty quick and we couldn't get on camera.
And that's super rare for Spokane because we're like a smaller town.
Yeah.
And so for a Lambo or like a Ferrari to pull up, it's like not really known. You don't really see them around because it's not like California and all that.
Nice cars we got here are Corvettes and Porsches.
Yeah, facts. So we're going to go ahead and try to upload for now at least twice a week, maybe more. We're probably going to record like 3 or 4 days, compile all that footage into 2 days or 2 uploads per week.
If you guys have any ideas or challenges for us, leave them in the comments because we're always like looking for new ideas, anything to do.
Facts.
Yeah, drop it in the comments.
We really hope you guys enjoy this content, enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends. You're really going to enjoy all these pranks we do. We have a lot of like time and money invested into this, and we're really going to try out for you guys. I really hope it's going to be hilarious, and we're going to make some awesome videos.
So this is sort of our intro video where we're explaining everything that we're going to be doing and how our YouTube channel is going to be. This isn't going to be how really all of our videos are. Most of our videos are going to be like pranks or like vlogs. This is just a sit down like introduction telling you guys what we're doing.
So our next video is going to be a prank video, and we'll see you then.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.